green investment, and more importantly, uplifting local economies while protecting our natural resources. As your theme suggests, climate change is really not just an environmental issue. It is a developmental challenge. It is a developmental challenge. And in Mindanao, katulad ng statistics na sinabi muli ni Secretary Robert, we see the effects in our farms, our fisheries, our forests, and most importantly, it affects the lives of our people. Of course, we also see hope. This is mainly due to communities rising, and this is mainly because we choose to rise above these challenges. It is because we have the NCMF and we have everyone amid this morning. Talking about these challenges with faith in resilience, enabling us to find a way towards climate change resilience. Napag-usapan na lang din naman ngayon ang partnerships. Nag-rekomenda ng partnership ang DILG, ang NC, at ang Climate Change Commission. Magkasama. Mag-isali muna rin ako sa partnership na yan. I am sure kasama ang opisina ni Congressman Alano at kasama ang opisina ni Senator Robin na kandito nire-represent ni Ma'am Samira Guto. Para sa kaalaman ninyong lahat, kami naman sa Mindanao Development Authority, we are trying to spearhead the Mindanao Disaster Resiliency and Resource Center. This is really a proposed state-of-the-art disaster response hub for the island of Mindanao. Madalas siguro marinig ninyo ibang ahensya ng gobyerno. Pinag-iisipan kung paano humarap sa mga challenges ng climate change. Maikwento ko lang, marami rin naman dito nakikita ko, although karamihan ng kaedad ko, sa tingin ko, ang bata at meron din namang mas matanda. Hindi ba't ilang dekada ang nakaraan, mga 2 o 3 dekada, napakayabang nating taga Mindanao. Madalas sinasabi natin sa mga galing sa Mindanao na nag-aral sa Manila, pag umuulan ng malakas dito, pag binabagyo at binabaha, ano ba ang pinagyayabang natin na tayo mga taga Mindanao? Doon sa amin, walang baha, walang ulan, walang bagyo. Pero lumipas na po ang panahon na yon. Katulad ng sinabi ni Secretary Robert at sinabi ni Asa De Leon, lumipas na yung panahon na yon. We in Mindanao are experiencing the effects of climate change. Hindi kakaila na tayo ng bagyo, nagkakaroon ng baha, hindi na man-made, hindi na natural, kung hindi man-made calamities na minsan ang tumatama sa atin.